So, good day everyone. My name is Donald Canaria. My attendance number 4. So, my topic today is quadratic equation standard form. So, before we start, I have 2 tips. At the end of the lesson, the student should be able to A. Define the quadratic equation in standard form. B. Identify the value of A and B and C and quadratic equation. And C. Write the equation in standard form ax squared plus bx plus c equals to 0. So, quadratic equation is an equation that can be rearranged in standard form as ax squared plus bx plus c equals to 0, where the variable x represent an unknown number and a, b, and c represent unknown numbers where a non-equals to 0. This form, ax squared plus bx plus c equals to 0. A is the coefficient of the x squared term, b is the coefficient of x term, and c is the constant. For example, 3x squared plus bx plus 2 equals to 0. A equals 3, b equals 5, c equals 2. Standard form quadratic equation, ax squared plus bx plus c equals to 0. Ax squared quadratic term, ang bx linear term, ang c constant. This one is the standard form of quadratic equation. So, identify each the equation, the standard form. We will identify the value of a, b, and c. So, let's start the equation number 1. So, number 1, the given is 3x minus 4x squared equals 5. So we have, here is the first, we will arrange the position. So, dapat maunagin ang quadratic equation. So, magiging negative 4x squared plus 3x minus 5 equals to 0. Okay na ang quadratic term, the linear term, and problema ang constant. We need to arrange 5, so we need to transpose the 5 to the side. So, magiging negative 4
both sides.
So, magiging negative 4 x squared plus 3x minus 5 equals to 0. So, ang standard form na siya, pero wala pa siya inaalaw na negative and first term or quadratic equation. So, the part of combine nato siya sa positive 1. So, may imo na siya na multiply nato siya sa negative 1. So, multiply natin siya sa negative 1. Negative 1 times negative 4 equals positive 4. Then, 1 times 3x equals negative 3x. Then, negative 1 times negative 5 equals positive 5. So, equals to 0. So, result is 4x squared negative minus 3x plus 5 equals to 0. So, standard form na siya. So, identify na ang values ang a, b, and c. So, ang values ang a, 4, and ang values ang 3. Ang values ang b is 3, and negative 3. So, and ang values ang c is. So, again, my name is Donald Canaria. Thank you for listening me, and goodbye.